How to activate dark mode on Moto Edge 15 Fusion and other Moto 15 device. By default, set the light mode on your device. To change the dark mode and improve the battery life, go to settings. Tap display. Here you can find the dark theme option. Just toggle on it to enable dark mode on your device. You can also set schedule option. Tap on a schedule. In schedule, you can see three options: turn on at a custom time, turns on from sunset to sunrise, or turns on at a bedtime. Let's see one by one. Tap on a turn on at a custom time. Here you can set a schedule, enter the start time and end time to automatically turn on dark theme on your device. To turns from sunset to sunrise. Now make sure to go on the location to enable sunset to sunrise on your device. And the last is turn on at a bedtime option. So use dark theme when turn on bed mode on your device. So it's quite easy. If you don't want to use, just toggle up it to turn off the dark mode. That's it. If you like it, share it.